Hello everyone, welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video we have one very interesting and challenging radical equation from Math Olympiad which we will be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started. At first sight this equation looks complicated. We have nested square root. We will square equation twice and get degree 4 equation, and that equation is not going to be solved easily. We'll be solving this equation using substitution, but this substitution is 5 equal to a. We are trying to write constant equal to a. So square root of a minus square root of a minus x will become x. Now we'll be squaring both sides to remove square root from LHS. We'll put power 2 on both the sides. Square root and square will get over from LHS. We will get a minus square root a minus x equal to x square. After rearranging the terms, we will get a minus x square equal to square root of a minus x. We have square root in RHS. So our left hand side must be non-negative for x to be real number. So we can write x should be in the interval minus square root a to plus square root a. A is 5. So I can write x should lie in the interval minus square root 5 less than or equal to square root 5. So for x to be real, our x should be minus square root 5 up to square root 5. But from right hand side of the equation, we can write one condition: x should be greater than or equal to 0. Now I will club these two inequalities or conditions. Here we have first inequality and here we have second inequality. If we will take intersection of both, we are going to get one interval x should be greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to square root 5 or square root a. Now we will be squaring this equation. Let me write here a minus x square equal to square root of a minus x. We'll put part 2 in LHS, part 2 in RHS. Square root and square will be over. Here we have to apply a minus b whole square identity. We will get a square plus x square whole square x power 4 minus 2 times a times x square, and right hand side we have a minus x. We'll write all the terms to LHS. So a square minus 2ax square minus a plus x power 4 plus x equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation in a. Let me write here a square, then we can take minus a common out. So in bracket we can write 2x square plus 1. Then we have x power 4 plus x. So we will consider capital A, the coefficient of a square is 1. Here we will consider minus sign with 2x square plus 1 is capital B, and this is our capital C. Now I will be using quadratic formula. So A will be equal to, A is 5, I will write 5 equal to minus B. So minus of minus 2x square minus 1 minus B plus minus square root of minus of 2x square plus 1 whole square, this is b square, minus 4 times capital A is 1 and c is x power 4 plus x. And in denominator, there must be 2 times 1, so 2 will be equal to minus times minus becomes plus. We will write here 2x square plus 1. Then we have plus minus sign, square root of minus square is plus. Now we have to expand over here, 2x square plus 1 whole square. We will get 4x power 4 plus 1 plus 4x square. Then we have minus 4 times x power 4 minus 4 times x, and in denominator we have 2. We will cancel 4x power 4 minus 4x power 4. So there would be 4x square minus 4x plus 1 inside the square root. So we will write 5 equal to 2x square plus 1 plus minus square root of 4x square minus 4x plus 1, and in denominator we have 2. We'll write here 5 equal to 2x square plus 1 plus minus square root of, this is 2x minus 1 whole square, and in denominator we have 2. Now we will cancel square root with square. So we can write here 5 equal to 2x square plus 1 plus minus 2x minus 1 over 2. Now we have plus minus sign over here. So we can write 5 equal to 2x square plus 2x over 2, and second value would be 2x square minus 2x plus 2 over 2, which will be equal to x square plus x, and here we will write x square minus x plus 1. Now we will create two quadratic equations. So I will write x square plus x equal to 5, and second equation is x square minus x plus 1 equal to 5. So from first equation we will get x square plus x minus 5 equal to 0, and from second equation x square minus x minus 4 equal to 0. Now we have to use quadratic formula once again. Here capital A is 1, B is 1, C is minus 5. So we will write x equal to minus B. So minus 1 plus minus square root of B square will be 1 square 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 5 becomes plus 20 over 2 times 1, so 2. So we will write here x equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 21 over 2. Now we have second quadratic equation over here. We will write x equal to minus b. So minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square is plus 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 4 will become plus 16 over 2 times 1, so 2, which will give us x equal to 1 plus minus square root of 17 over 2. Now we will reject minus from here because x is lying in the interval 0 and plus square root 5. X should be positive, less than square root 5. So x negative cannot be accepted. We will write x equal to minus 1 plus square root 21 over 2, and second value would be 1 plus square root 17 over 2. Negative x is rejected. Now we have to check what is the value of 1 plus square root 17 over 2. So we will use calculator and find value. Let me write here x equal to square root 21 minus 1 over 2, somewhere approximately 1.8, and second value is 1 plus square root 17 over 2, approximately it is 2.51. Condition on x is it should be greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to square root 5. This is square root 5. So we are going to reject 2.51 value because it is greater than root 5 and this is less than root 5. So we will accept this and reject 1 plus square root 17 over 2. So I can write the only real value of x which will satisfy our equation is square root 21 minus 1 over 2. Now I will expect friends to like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.